eBay offers a vast marketplace for entrepreneurs eager to start or expand their businesses. As your presence on eBay grows, it's natural to consider how best to structure your business for maximum advantage. You might be wondering, do you need an LLC to sell on eBay? Well, in this video, I'll explore why forming an LLC might be a smart choice for your eBay business. And by the way, if you're looking to start your own LLC, I highly recommend signing up with Northwest Registered Agents. They're professionals and they'll be able to help you out. If you use my link down in the description of this video, you'll get a special offer where you can form your LLC for as little as $39. And if you sign up through my link, I'll receive a small commission at no extra charge to you, which I'll be very grateful for. And with that in mind, let's get started. What is a limited liability company, LLC? An LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. It's a popular business structure in the US that effectively blends the beneficial features of corporations, partnerships, and sole proprietorships into one entity. This hybrid structure is particularly appealing because it shields its owner's personal assets from business debts and legal challenges, offering a layer of protection that is crucial for many entrepreneurs. Additionally, LLCs are favored for their tax advantages. Unlike corporations, which are subject to corporate taxes at the business level and personal taxes on dividends, LLCs enjoy pass-through taxation. This means that all profits and losses are transferred directly to the owner's personal tax returns, thus avoiding the issue of double taxation that can impact corporations. This tax flexibility not only simplifies the tax filing process, but also can lead to significant tax savings for the business owners. Therefore, the LLC structure is highly regarded among business owners who seek both legal protection and tax efficiency. LLC benefits for an eBay business. One of the main benefits of an LLC for eBay sellers is the legal protection it offers. If your eBay business is ever sued or incurs debt, your personal assets such as your house, car, and savings are typically protected. This means that creditors can only go after the business's assets, not your personal ones. This is especially important for eBay businesses that sell products which might carry risk of personal injury or are prone to customer disputes about product authenticity. For instance, imagine you sold a product described inaccurately on eBay, either intentionally or by mistake, leading to customer dissatisfaction or even a lawsuit. Or consider a scenario where a data breach compromises your customer's personal information. If you operate as an LLC, only your business assets would be at risk in these legal actions. Your personal assets would generally be safe from seizure. Additionally, LLCs can make your eBay business appear more credible and trustworthy to customers and potential business partners. People often prefer to do business with a legally recognized entity because it shows that the seller is serious and has taken the steps to legitimize their operation. Tax benefits and options. Tax management is another area where LLCs offer benefits. As an LLC, you can choose how you want to be taxed. By default, LLCs are treated like sole proprietorships or partnerships, meaning business income passes through to the owner's personal tax returns and they pay personal income tax on those earnings. However, an LLC can also choose to be taxed as an S corporation. This can be advantageous for eBay sellers who earn enough to save on self-employment taxes, as only the salary paid through the business is subject to those taxes, not the additional distributions. Costs associated with forming an LLC. The costs associated with establishing an LLC are relatively modest and should be viewed as a strategic investment in your business's future. Now, while initial setup fees for an LLC can vary depending on the state, they generally average around $100. This initial expense primarily covers the filing of your Articles of Organization, a crucial document that officially registers your business entity with the state. Beyond the initial setup, there are ongoing expenses to consider, such as fees for filing annual reports, maintaining a registered agent to handle legal and tax documents, and possibly additional costs for business licenses or permits, depending on the nature of your business and its location. These recurring costs are necessary to ensure that your LLC remains in good legal standing and complies with state regulations. Steps to forming an LLC. The process of forming an LLC isn't overly complex, but does require attention to detail. First, decide where to establish your LLC, which is typically in the state where you conduct business. Next, you need to choose a unique name for your LLC that complies with state regulations. This name needs to include the phrase Limited Liability Company or one of its abbreviations like LLC. After naming your business, you will choose a registered agent who can handle all legal correspondence for your LLC. This agent must be authorized to do business in your state. Once these steps are complete, you can file your LLC's articles of organization with your state's business authority, usually the Secretary of State. This filing officially creates your LLC. Following the formation, you should create an operating agreement to outline the structure and operating procedures of your LLC. Although not all states require this document, it's a prudent step for clarifying the roles and responsibilities of all members. Next, obtain an employer identification number, EIN, from the IRS. This number is necessary for tax purposes, much like a social security number for individuals. It's free and can be obtained online. Starting in January 2024, LLCs will also need to file a Beneficial Ownership Information (BOI) report with the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. This new requirement helps increase transparency about who owns and controls businesses in the US. Filing this report is free, but failing to file or filing inaccurately can lead to significant penalties. Post-formation compliance. Now, once your LLC is established, there are a few more steps to ensure ongoing compliance. Most states require LLCs to file an annual report updating on the business's status and any changes to your registered agents or office locations. Additionally, depending on your eBay activities, you might need specific business licenses or permits. Finally, registering for state taxes like sales tax or unemployment insurance might be necessary depending on your business operations. In conclusion, while it's not mandatory to have an LLC to sell on eBay, the benefits it offers in terms of asset protection, tax options, and enhanced credibility can make it a wise choice for many sellers. The costs associated with forming and maintaining an LLC are relatively small compared to the peace of mind and potential tax savings they can provide. If you're considering forming an LLC for your eBay business, or if you have more questions about the process, consider scheduling a free tax consultation or speaking with a business advisor. This step can provide you with personalized guidance tailored to your specific business needs. And if you're ready to bring your business to the next level and form your own LLC, then make sure to sign up with Northwest Registered Agents. If you use my link down in the description of this video, you can take advantage of my special offer where you can form your LLC for as little as $39. Now, if you sign up through my link, I'll receive a small commission at no extra charge to you, which I'll be very grateful for. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.